Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this clip, I will unbox the smallest package I ever received. But I can assure you that for such a small scale, these pieces are quite well made. For years I noticed lots and lots of figures for the 1/18 and 1/64 scale, but the ones for the 1/43 scale were quite difficult to find. So when a fellow collector, on Facebook, started making some custom figures, I knew I had to get some. So this is the first figure in my collection, a 1/43 scale version of Enzo Ferrari, the founder of the Scuderia Ferrari. The second figure is the easiest to find on a 1/43 scale since Minichamps released an entire series of models with the Top Gear theme. So this is the 1/43 scale version of the Stig, the Top Gear famous driver. The last figure from this package is the grandfather of Hank the Deuce. If Hank the Deuce was known for his rivalry with Enzo Ferrari, his grandfather Henry Ford I was known as the founder of Ford Motor Company, and chief developer of the assembly line technique of mass production. Ford created the first automobile that middle-class Americans could afford, and his conversion of the automobile from an expensive luxury into an accessible conveyance profoundly impacted the landscape of the 20th century. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, cheers.